Hi guys, so today I've had a very exciting parcel from Modification 71. Now they have sent me a carbon fibre antenna shark fin for my BMW M2. So today we're going to have a look at it and try and fit it, and hopefully I can manage this one, although it is freezing outside. So let's see how it looks. So this is what we get in the box. We get some really strong double-sided sticky tape, we get a really nice new car smelling air freshener, and of course the thing we've all been waiting for, the carbon fibre antenna cover. So it looks really nice, and the plan is we're going to stick some of the red sticky tape into the inside like so. So we're going to stick it all over just to ensure there is plenty of coverage. So let's speed this up a little bit. So we're just sticking the final couple bits down. So when you do stick them down, just give them a bit of a rub to ensure they really have stuck down and they're not going to peel back up when you're trying to get the other side off as well. But as you can see, we've put plenty all over so that it is going to have plenty of coverage to stick onto the original one, because all we do is slide it over. So I did wash the car yesterday, but because it's rained overnight, we're going to get a microfiber cloth and just dry it all down to make sure no water sort of gets in underneath the sticky pads and loosens it off, because the last thing we want is the carbon fibre antenna just flying off while we're driving. Next up is trying to get the other side of the sticky tape off so that it's adhesive on both sides now. It's quite a fiddly job, and especially when it's about 3 degrees outside, my fingers did not want to work, so we moved inside to get the rest off, but let's skip forward a little bit now. There we go, so that's all the little red side tapes off. So let's get the new carbon fibre antenna on. So first things first, like I said, it just slides over the top. So we're just going to pop it on, make sure everything's straight, and press down and hold on all the different areas where the adhesive sticky tape is, and just to make sure it really has sealed with the original antenna. So let's skip forward a little bit. There we go, so that seems pretty stable on. Give it a wiggle, make sure it's all sealed on there, and this doesn't feel like it's going to come flying off. So there we have it, that is the finished product. So there we have it, a huge thank you to Modification 71 for sending us this carbon fibre antenna. It looks gorgeous, and I think sometimes the simple of additions really make the biggest difference. So make sure you check those guys out. They do everything you need for BMs and other vehicles as well. But for now, you guys know the drill. To make my journey your journey, like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.